gosh. Look at that, man. Get a close-up of this, though. Yo, real quick. Last year, around this time, I was mounting SVEs on my 5.0. And now, a whole year later, I'm mounting Welds on the Shelby. Hey, I'm glad these fit, though. I was kind of worried they weren't going to fit.
That'll work.
Come on, I can kiss them all.
Broke my ankle, bro.
Hell yeah.
Been a nasty cold start.
Stupid.
Heard that, bro? All 18.
Rolling Willie.
Holy shit. Wow. Wow, dude. That's so cool. You weren't pulling in here fast at all.
This neighbor?
Our neighbor kind of tripped because he says he pulled in fast.
You know how fast I
Or you pulled in like 20 miles an hour?
Bro, I was going like fucking.
Actually,
12,
no,
bro.
you came in like at 12.
Like
I'm
15,
surprised he hasn't
12.
told me nothing, bro, because I dip and enter.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's probably what he's talking about. Your stupid neck ass.
Nah, there's no way. It's a big difference. Blue and gray. Come on now.
I mean, honestly, it would look good with just the rears, I'm not gonna lie.
Nah.
But I had to go ahead and get the fronts too, man. I wasn't playing. I was not playing. Again, these are for sale. Hit me up. Wheels and tires, front and rear.
Good price.
Good price.
You're just joking about the tax and shit.
Yeah, I'm joking about the tax. Kinda.
This is an insider. Stupid. Well,
Now, I guess we'll see.
Yeah, when we land, this will be different. Or probably not.
I mean, I guess we'll just have to find out. The old Stang didn't do it, but I had 15s. These are 18s.
Yeah, these are 18s and 45.
Woo!
Thick.
Right.
Tell me, bro.
Got all the tire for every desire.
I'll go ahead and drop this bitch.
Yup. Yes, sir. Oh, they look so good. Oh, bro.
So you just like, woo.
Bro, it looks like you got just enough room to like really get some good.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yo,
That looks so good.
Euro gapish, bro.
We are torquing these down, right, Tito?
Yeah. We ain't,
And it's on video, so you guys know that we're torquing them down.
It's in our first rodeo, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, you were swapping out your radios like every other weekend when
Exactly.
back in the old
Little
house
bit
days.
Yup. Now off to bigger and better things, boys.
Yes, sir.
I'm just waiting.
What you think?
They look amazing.
Appreciate it, bro. Finally on the wells.
The well set. You want the well set.
And we gonna be on the full set, not just the rears. Definitely gonna need a second car, for sure. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and mount the fronts. Let's get it. Flawlessly. There you go.
Straight, boy.
Flawless.
Alright, hand me the shits.
Yeah, where they at? I have a feeling that I need to go get an alignment ASAP.
Probably. Alright, so.
Well, I put it on the tire.
Yeah.
It wasn't even on it.
Alright.
Alright, go right ahead.
Okay.
Nice and slow.
Look at that fitment, bro.
Oh my gosh, dude, that looks crazy. Oh, stupid. Oh my gosh.
Fitment is insane, bro. Flawless.
Oh, that's so sexy, bro.
Oh, it looks so fucking good. My key hat,
Where's the key?
Get this way.
Where's the key for? Oh, here it is. I got it.
Alright, dude. Let's get it.
He's got some new titties.
Tell me that fitness.
Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, that looks so dope. The sun is literally about to go tuck away, so
It's about to go in.
the last 30 minutes of light, I'll get some nice shots, but I'm gonna just wait till that sun goes down, cause all you can see is my shadow. Bro, oh my gosh, this is like a completely new car.
If you had a name, you gotta change the name.
Rose. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm literally just staring at it.
That fitment is perfect. How do you feel about that?
I'm very happy with it.
I think it's lush.
Oh my gosh, I can't stop. Oh my. Oh man, I'm so happy with the way they turned out. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. I'm using my zoom lens right now. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I keep freaking out a little bit. This is the finished result. Full Weld S71 drag setup for my GT500. Fuck, man. I'm fighting the sun. I might go park it over there real quick, get some shots before it gets completely dark out. But damn.
What do you think, man?
I don't even know what to say.